ebimwe bitumira emishomo gwabaho no kwongeza obwingi bwa Hass Ovacado mu kicweka eki hamwe no kutunga akatare ka hamwe mu bahingi abarikuhinga hitaka erikye
mu ngeri ki gye tunatumbulamu obutale akatale ka Hass Ovacado naddala nga tutunuulidde abalimi bano abatono be basinga okufulumya naye ate bwe tubaleka emabega ne tutunuulira abanene oluusi tuba tetuyambye sekita eno kukola ki kugenda mu maaso.
Fred Karanzo ry'omukugu rw'omu NARO nagira ngu Hass Ovacado n'ekihingwa kisyo mu bantu nahabwekyo nibenda emishomo nk'egi egumizemu okuhwera abahingi aba.
Ekirime kya ovacado kino kyatunzi naye ate kipya gye tuli tukyetaaga amagezi mangi nnyo okuva mu bakugu. Amagezi ge tukyayimiriddeko essaawa zino gava nnyo mu nsi ez'ebunaayira.
This came into light because of the partnership between Kyenjojo Agro-Based Industries Uganda Limited and the National Forestry Resources Research Institute station, commonly known as NAFORI. So the two partners ensured that we have this workshop to bring the smallholder farmers of Hass Ovacado together so that we get to learn more about Hass Ovacado.
Omushomo gwitabirwemu abakugu rw'omu NARO, National Forestry Resources Research Institute, abahingi hamwe n'abahingi kuruga ha district ya Kyenjojo.
Omushomo gw'erizooba gwagira amaani mingi munonga kusinga ya bulijjo yintwire nimbona abo kuba gwayihayo kurungi ahabwakyo omuntu ayine kuba n'abahingire Hass Ovacado.
For the farmers who really have a lot of land, I encourage them to expand. This is something that is not labor intensive. Unlike maize and the coffee, where you need to keep in the plantation, Hass you just plant and just add manure.
Edson tusubira orukura eby'obuhingi omu district ya Kyenjojo nagira ngu gavumenti eine enteekateeka y'okuheereza abahingi embibo aha mihendo mirungi. Amakuru aga gashakwa Daniel Bingana.